Boom, boom, boom. Hey, what's up, guys? It's been a minute since I've been on YouTube. And I hope you guys can see. Everything's going amazing because that's how life should be. Well, by the topic, you guys should already know now that. Well, you should already know what I'm about to talk about. And yes, it's magic mushrooms and how they actually saved my life. These things are actually freaking amazing. I ain't gonna lie. There's a reason they're called magic mushrooms, because these things are literally magic. And I think it sucks how the media beats them down and talk all this crazy stuff about them when they're actually amazing and they're literally magic. Guys, it's magic from the freaking plant. Like, the earth gives you magic. It's so crazy. Like, for instance, let's talk about magic for a second. When we hear of magic, we think it's something we see on TV, when magic is actually the TV itself, like electricity. What is electricity? Not what you think it is, not what you're told it is, but think about it. What is electricity? Like, what is it? Can you explain to me what it is? No, you can't, because you just don't know. It's literally magic. It's the thing that's inside of you. It's the thing that makes you you. It's the thing that makes you have this life. You know what I'm saying? Electricity, energy. So let's go back to the topic. Magic mushrooms. How did they save my life? Well, growing up as a kid, I had a very unhealthy life, and I was misinformed, and it was just nasty. Like, the media and everything, and how we were told we have to live in the school system, and all this shit was just so overwhelming and distracting and just nasty on my soul. Holy shit, I can't take it no more. Like, but yeah, back to it. Like, all those playing a part, playing to the whole thing, my life, and how the mushroom actually helped me. The mushroom. I'm not the first on this topic, but yeah, I had a really unhealthy life growing up, based off of everything I said. You know, I was. Let me get to the diet part. I was consuming a lot of junk all the time, like a lot of Coca-Cola, a lot of Doritos, Snickers, Kit Kat, just all the nasty, unhealthy shit that ain't real. A lot of meat. We are not even supposed to eat motherfucking meat, yo. What the fuck are we doing? Can't you guys put this shit together? Like, think about this. Every species on this planet that eats meat eventually goes extinct. The ones that don't eat meat eventually, they prosper, they live on, and they multiply. They're the dominant species, and we're actually fucking everything up. Back to my story now. Just to point that out. That's a whole different rabbit hole in itself. But yeah, I had 2 heart attacks because of all this nasty motherfucking food I've been putting in my body. Like all the, especially Doritos and fucking soda. So that shit, just don't drink that shit no more. Just throw that shit away. Fuck that shit. Throw that shit away. Don't drink it again. What I'm drinking right now is some fucking water, lemons, and real motherfucking honey. That's all you need, bruh. We're water beings. I don't eat like, and if I would eat, I just eat like a pineapple and some corn. That's it. We don't need all this extra shit. That shit just fucks with your brain. Anyways, I had 2 heart attacks. Two heart attacks. One when I was 16, and one when I just came to America, and my wife saw me on the motherfucking ground having a seizure. She thought it was a seizure. That was a motherfucking heart attack, bruh. Because I had it before. I remember my first heart attack. I was laying on my bed, right? I was laying on my motherfucking bed, and I couldn't move. My eyes were open, right, bruh? And all I could feel was my heart in my chest. It was just pounding, bruh. Boom. Boom. I couldn't speak. You ever seen the movie, you ever seen The Sunken Place, Get Out? That's how my vision was, bruh. And I was down there and I was trying to scream to call from my motherfucking mother, and I couldn't call my mother's name. I couldn't do nothing, and I just all that was present was just my vision. And I was deep inside the back of my fucking head, like it literally looks like that. And it was just me and my heart, bro. Boom, 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 and I got sucked out. I was gone, and then I woke up. I just woke up like hours later, like the day is done. Because I remember sunlight. I woke up, bro, I don't even know what the I didn't even know what the hell all this is, like life. What the hell is life? That was my first heart attack. Second one, I woke up one morning, got up off the bed, right? I just got up off the bed, and all of a sudden my heart skipped a beat, then it skipped 2, then it skipped 3, dum 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 dum, and then it just spazzed out, and then boom, I just hit the fucking floor again. I'm like, damn. I know where it came from. I know it's the food, but I couldn't stop because I was addicted to the sodium and the shit, all that shit in the food, bro. The sugar, the taste, it's just so addicting. So my friend, I met this cool motherfucking dude over at the gym. I think he's half German. I don't remember. He's like, bro, what's up, Tarzan? That's what he said. What's up, Tarzan? You the man, man. He keeps saying that shit. I'm like he knows something, right? I'm like, okay, you know something. He says, yo, bro, you ever heard of the mushroom? I'm like, you ever heard of the mushroom? What are you talking about? He said, bro, it's literally magic. Literally magic. I'm like, what the fuck? Me, I'm open, man. I'm from the Caribbean. I'm free, you know what I'm saying? I was born on an island, bro. We eat fucking all the green shit. We don't give a shit because it's from the earth. What law? What law? We were born free, bro. We were literally born free. What law you telling me about all this bullshit? So fuck this. So I said, give me that magic plant, bro. Ate that shit. I'm like, boom. I went home. When I went home and I ate that shit, I was sitting at my desk. I said, bro, I'm scared as fuck because of the news and all the fucking illusion, of the media and all. It's just lies, just fucking lies, just bullshit trying to control your life because you're literally a star, motherfuckers. Listen to me. Now check this. I ate that shit. I was sitting at my desk, right? Bro, my side, I couldn't control shit. My whole body literally twist over like this. It twist, it sucked in, kid you not, magic, and my fucking heart flipped over in my chest, bruh. It's like my heart was positioned in the wrong fucking position my whole life, and I felt the shit flip over inside me, bruh, and my life was never the same. Every night I would sleep before that, I would have, every time my heart would beat, like I would lay down on my back, it would stab me like a stabbing fucking pain, bro. I'm like, bro, I'm gonna die. I know I'm gonna die. That shit never happened again. Never happened again. My whole life changed. Bro, look at me. I'm glowing. I look like magic, bro. Bro, if you know me, look at me. Am I the same person? Nah, bro. Because it's literally magic. So cool. So cool. I don't eat meat. I don't do none of that shit. I'm living my best motherfucking life. And it all came from the earth. The thing that everyone's fighting for. The thing that everyone wants. Control. And it's yours. It's free. It's for everybody, bro. What the fuck? You're working, you don't even gotta work. You could just be like me. Sipping lemonade underneath a tree. See, I'm rhyming, bro. I could make a song. Talk about song. I got a goddamn ukulele. Magic mushroom saved my life. And that's my story. And if you are afraid of eating a plant, listen to me, bitch. You better go eat that fucking plant because that shit will change your motherfucking life. If you got any sickness, any motherfucking sickness, that shit will get rid of it. It's a class A felony. This shit's up there with murder for just one. If they catch you with one of these things, you go in prison for one. It's a class A felony, bro. Think about that shit. Magic for a plant. I remember when weed was like that. But let me tell you what they did to weed. They start growing weed indoors, artificial light. So now it doesn't have the same effect that the real sunlight gives it. So it's not even giving you a high anymore. It's giving you a low. Because it's not grown from real sunlight. Most of the shit y'all be smoking. Some people got the good shit. But you buying it, the shit you buying ain't real. If it's grown indoors, throw that shit away because nothing beats the real sun. That's why I'm outside, bro. Hey, yo. This shit got a tune. Bruh. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? A plant. Changed my life. I could play a ukulele. I make music, bruh. I do anything I want. All because of a plant. Make it legal. Well, who the fuck? Who made it illegal? Think about it. Right now it's a grab the fucking world. It's in a fight. It's a fight for power. They're grabbing power. Everybody wants the power. But I think I've said enough. I love you. Stay safe. And yeah. Have a good life. See you in my next video.